Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rika Samadianova and my friend can call me Rika. On this occasion, I would like to introduce myself and my family. I would like to tell you about my family members, my hobbies, and my daily activities and habits. My family consists of my father, my mother, my older sister, her husband and her child, my older brother, my grandmother, and me. For me, family members are the people who are always there in my life. First, I would like to introduce my father. His name is Santo, and he is around 50 years old. My father is a very important person in our family. He always works hard and takes responsibility for providing for our family. He also often gives me advice and teaches me to be independent, responsible, and not to give up easily. In his free time, my father usually does activities that he enjoys and takes a rest after working. Next is my mother. Her name is Siti Marfaatun. She is around 48 years old. My mother is a very caring and loving person. She helps take care of many things at home and always pays attention to her children. She often reminds me to steady take care of my health, behave well, and help with the housework. For me, my mother is someone I can talk to and ask for advice when I have a problem. My siblings. Then I have two older siblings, one older sister and one older brother. My older sister name is Rika. She is already married and has a 6 years old child. My older brother's name is Ricky, and he is not married yet. Although sometimes we have different opinions or this is a tear, we still love and help each other. From my siblings, I can also learn many things and gain experience. I also have a grandmother named Mariati. She is an amazing person. Even though she is quite old, she still often goes gardening and does other household activities. One funny thing about my grandmother is that when she talks, her voice is usually the loudest in the family. About me, and finally, there is me. I always try to be a good and responsible daughter. I also want to become someone who can make my parents proud and be useful to my family in the future. My hobbies. I have several hobbies. One of my hobbies is listening to music. I usually listen to music when I am relaxing, doing something, or when I want to get rid of boredom. Besides listening to music, I also like cooking. For me, cooking is a fun activity because I can try to make different kinds of food. I also like eating and playing snacks, especially when I have free time. Sometimes I also like using social media, such as TikTok. Besides that, I also enjoy spending time in nature. In my opinion, looking at beautiful scenery and enjoying fresh air can make my mind feel calmer. My daily activity. In my daily life, I have several habits. In the morning, I usually wake up, make my bed, and get ready for school. After taking a shower and having breakfast, I prepare my school supplies before leaving for school. When I arrive at school, I attend classes and study with my teacher and friends. I try to follow the lesson well, especially the subjects related to my major industrial chemical engineering. After school, I go home. When I arrive home, I usually take a short rest. After that, I study, do my homework, or help with housework. Before going to bed, I usually prepare the things I need for school the next day. After that, I go to sleep so that I can wake up feeling fresh the next morning. My family habits. My family also has some simple habits. One of them is helping each other with household chores. Every member of my family has their own activities and responsibilities. We also try to spend time together. Sometimes we eat together, talk about our work activities during the day, or simple joke around. These simple things make our family relationship closer. What family means to me. For me, family is the first place where responsibility, cooperation, and respect. I see my family as keluarga cemara. A family does not have to have a perfect life to be happy. The most important things are love, support, and taking together in every situation. I am very grateful to have a family that always supports me. I hope our family relationship will always be good and that we will always stay close to each other. My future. I also have hopes for my future. I want to become a successful and independent person who can make my parents proud. I want to use the knowledge I get at school to achieve my dreams and have a good future. Someday, I also want to repay my parents for all their kindness and sacrifices. Even though I know that their sacrifices can never be fully repaid, I will always try to become a good tutor and make them proud. So, that is a little story about myself, my family, my hobbies, and my daily activities. For me, family is not only about people who live together. Family is also about people who always give us support, love, and encouragement. Although life sometimes has problems, I believe that as long as we support and live in other, we can get through everything together. I hope I can become a better person, study hard, be responsible, and make my family proud. That is all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.